Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today we're gonna make carrot fries. Carrot fries are a great substitute for regular fries. They're perfect if you're looking for something that's lower in carbs or if you want to get your kids to try something that's not a potato. They're great for a snack, an appetizer, or a side dish, and they're super easy to make. Let's get started. To get started, you're going to cut your carrots into about 1/2 inch slices. Then you're going to go ahead and coat your carrots with some olive oil. A good rule of thumb is you want a tablespoon of olive oil per pound of carrots. Then you're going to go ahead and just coat lightly all of the carrots with the olive oil and start laying them on the cookie sheet. Once you have all your carrots on your cookie sheet, you're gonna give them a good sprinkle of salt and pepper and Parmesan cheese, and then stick them in the oven for 16 to 20 minutes at 425. I like a good dip with any kind of fry, so as the carrots cook, I'm gonna make a quick mixture of mayo and Sriracha to use as a dip for them. If you want more Sriracha than I have, which is about 1/2 tablespoon, go ahead and add it. If you don't like spicy things, a good lemon aioli or a creamy garlic dip would also work really well. Once the carrot fries are done, you're gonna wanna plate them immediately with the dipping sauce that you made. Then you're gonna wanna top them with salt and pepper to taste and a little parsley and serve.